Tomato plant's looking good.
I have it.
Let's see. Yep, there they are. Those little beauties. Something's eating the red bell pepper, yeah. Habanero's looking good. Healthier. It's come back. The radish as well. Something's eating the leaves. Same with the carrots. Looking pretty healthy. Same with the spinach. Spinach is looking really good. Same with this one. Woo. Now this is just crazy. This pumpkin. The peas are all right. They're not looking too good. All of them look like they're sort of dying. Maybe too much sun. Maybe this pumpkin. Look at this base. This pumpkin base is ridiculous. But it's gonna have a bunch of flowers here pretty soon. That's one flower. It's gonna be another one, another one, another one, another one. The pumpkin goes way, all the way to the end. Yeah, these watermelons are looking really good too. They've grown so much. They're getting their little vines. Little watermelon vines. Same with the pumpkin too. It's crazy. Yeah, this pumpkin's taking over. One problem we're having with the garden is all these little sprouts you see? All these little sprouts that you see? They're everywhere. It's almost like aerating the garden because they're sprouting up everywhere. These are all palm tree seeds. When we put the garden down, we didn't clear all the palm tree seeds out properly. Oh my God, come on, motherfucker. Ugh. So yeah, these are everywhere. Every day. I'll check multiple times a day. New sprouts are coming. See? Here's another one. Oh, for some reason it's easier to see on this video. Camera. I've already pulled them today and I keep on finding more. But then after I pull them, I'll go. There's another one over here. Where was it? Is it right here? No?
Sorry, guys.
Oh, here it is. Here's one. See?
Does that make you real video? Because not how the video grows.
Yeah, but it's crazy. There's 5 watermelons here. There's 2 right here. And then there's 3. Whoa. What? I didn't know this one's growing big. It's a triumphant bastard. I didn't know it was that far. I thought it was one of these. But there's a watermelon growing way over here. But yeah, it's just what's going on right now. You got the marigolds growing, put a couple in. There is one palm tree I'm trying to save for someone, so we got that. Some trimmings. Let's get this other angle.
All the palm trees you're doing grow. I'm going to save for your mom too.
Yeah, this has gotten huge. It's growing out. It's growing over a foot in a week. Same thing with this. Sorry. Strawberry plant's looking all right. Not really doing too well, but this pumpkin, this pea plant's doing really well. There's a pea plant in there. The pumpkin's sort of taking over everything, so we're gonna have to try to trim it, make sure it doesn't take over too much. This is the only onion that survived, besides this. Look at that. Another one right by the onions. Everywhere. But yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for tuning in. Peace.